Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Squarespace site title. As you can see right here, my title at the moment is Simple One. I'll be showing you how to change that. All you'll have to do is tap on Edit in the top left hand corner. After selecting Edit, you're going to hover over the current title of your website. Then you are going to tap on Edit Site Header, and in the right hand corner you are going to tap on Site Title and Logo. Then you'll see Site Title, and from here you can simply clear the current one and you could change it to anything you want. So let's say, for example, I change the number. Once you have done that, you'll tap on Done in the top left hand corner, then select Save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.